Good morning, good afternoon sa lahat. So I have two cute questions. Makiki-cute question lang ako. By the way, I'm Anne. I'm a fitness content creator. Ayan. So, first question. Just in case lang, suppose na hindi gymnastics ang expertise mo ngayon, meron ka ba bang ibang sports na gusto mong matry or supportahan? Like basketball?
Siguro po sa martial arts.
Martial arts.
Yeah,
Ano
gusto ko po yung matry. Hindi po makipag-sparring po. Ano na po, cross-training po.
Cross-training.
Yes po.
Okay, thank you.
Salamat po.
Second question. So kung ang ibang mga athletes natin, meron silang mga parang motivational song na parang ito yung pinapatugtog ko lagi sa gym to really pump me up and to boost my energy levels. Question, ano yung inspirational, motivational, and powerful entrance song ng isang double gold Olympian